In this video, I will show you how to claim MoneyGram in GCash. This is very useful if someone sent you money through MoneyGram and you want to receive it directly into your GCash wallet without needing to go to a physical location. The process is simple, but you need to make sure that all details are entered correctly. First, open the GCash app on your mobile phone and log in with your PIN. On the home screen, you will see several options. Look for Cash In and tap on it. Inside the Cash In menu, you will find different partner options. Scroll down until you see Remittance and then select MoneyGram. Now you will see a form where you need to enter some details. The most important detail is the reference number. This is an 8-digit number that the sender will give you after completing the transfer. Make sure to type the reference number carefully because even a single mistake will cause the claim to fail. Next, confirm that the name on your GCash account matches the name that the sender used when they sent the money. Both first name and last name must match exactly with the MoneyGram transfer information. If there is a mismatch, the transfer cannot be completed. After entering the reference number and checking that your name matches, tap Next. The app will then show you the amount of money that you are about to claim. Review the details carefully and confirm. Once confirmed, the funds will be added directly to your GCash wallet. Sometimes the transfer may take a few minutes to appear, but in most cases it will be credited instantly. You can check your GCash balance on the home screen to confirm that the money has arrived. If there are any issues such as the money not appearing or an error message showing, double-check the reference number and the spelling of your name. If the information is correct and the problem continues, you can contact GCash support or MoneyGram support for assistance. That is the process for claiming MoneyGram in GCash. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.